Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen mask in a plane. Cabin pressure changes can happen unexpectedly, making supplemental oxygen vital for your safety. Knowing these simple steps can make a significant difference in an emergency. We will cover how the masks deploy, the proper way to put one on, and important tips to remember. Your quick action ensures you and those around you stay safe and comfortable. When cabin pressure changes significantly, typically at an altitude of about 14,000 feet, the oxygen masks will automatically drop from the panel above your seat. You will hear an announcement from the crew, but act quickly. Remember, even if the bag attached to the mask does not inflate, oxygen is still flowing. The system provides a steady supply of breathable air for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, ample time for the pilot to descend to a safe altitude. Once the mask drops, pull it firmly towards you to initiate the flow of oxygen. This action activates the chemical oxygen generator. Next, place the mask securely over your nose and mouth, ensuring a tight seal. Adjust the elastic band around your head for a comfortable yet snug fit. It is crucial to secure your own mask first, even before helping a child or another passenger. This ensures you remain conscious and capable of assisting others effectively. Always remember to stay calm and listen carefully to the cabin crew's instructions during an emergency. They are highly trained to guide you through these situations. Keep your oxygen mask on until a crew member explicitly tells you it is safe to remove it. Even if you feel fine, the supplemental oxygen is vital. Familiarize yourself with the safety card in your seat pocket for visual guidance. Your preparedness contributes to everyone's safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.